So hello everybody, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be going over Chainlink analysis, Bitcoin analysis and news, as well as the rest of what is going on in the world right now. If you guys take any value from this video, like, subscribe, all feedback always does help my channel. And I also like to say massive thank you for 304 subscribers. You guys have been absolutely awesome. I really appreciate it, and I will be giving you a giveaway in the next month, so stay tuned for that. Let's jump straight into the video, guys. So if we take a look at the current market, it is recovered very well, considering it went down a lot over the past couple months. Now it is recovered very well, considering this is the most important time in crypto possible history. In my opinion, I strongly think this is the most important next couple months in possibly crypto's history. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance, it is currently at 64.49%, and if we have a look at the market cap, it is currently at $207 billion. Now that has gone up quite a lot over the past 2-3 weeks. That is certainly very interesting. Bitcoin at 7,292. Again, everything is recovering very well, considering we have not got a very big setup in the next couple months. Now if we take a look at Chainlink, it is currently moved up to number 12 position in the chart, which again is just incredible. Chainlink over the past week, I must say, if we have a look at the 7 days here, this is what Chainlink's chart has done over the past week. Now this is really big in my opinion. If you guys had a look at my video, the last video I did on Chainlink, I said I was very tempted to go very big in at $2.20 or 30 cents. And I managed to get a nice position on Chainlink at 230, I think it was, and ever since then it's obviously doing very well. Now this just makes me even more excited. If we have a look at the price, it's $3.33, and its all-time high is $4.94, which it did smash, which it broke like I think a month or two ago, which very impressive signs again. Now that is just what Chainlink has done over the past week. Now again, that's just, in my opinion, that is just massive in my opinion, guys. This is just very bullish news for Chainlink. They're looking, lots of people are now tweeting about them. Some of the big crypto and Bitcoin influencers on Twitter, they're now starting to notice Chainlink, which is again big in my opinion. A lot of them are saying that nothing in the crypto market is performing like Chainlink, which is very true. And if you have a look here over this on the 7-day chart, it has gone up 44%, which is just outstanding, guys. Considering if we have a look at the 30-day, again we did have that big pullback, but a lot of things did. It's just massive news, guys. If you're very excited for Chainlink this year, drop a like, share the video, because I know I am really excited. So I want to know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments below. I really am excited for Chainlink this year, and I've said it in multiple of my videos, I think this could be the hidden gem in my portfolio, and I'm very excited for it. Now next up, I want to show you this. I talk about Peter Schiff quite a lot in my videos. He recorded this on the he uploaded this not long ago, but this was recorded June 4th 2019. Now I want you guys to hear this. This is more to do with what's happening globally in the world right now. He just explains it very well.
I think what's going to happen is when the Fed goes back to zero, which is what they're going to do, they're not just going to cut 25, 50 basis points. They're going back to zero, but there's not a lot of room between where we are now and zero.
We're at 2.25 to 2.5.
So what the real stimulus is going to be is QE4, which is going to be bigger than the first 3 rounds combined.
Wait, is that your prediction?
Oh, yes.
You say, okay, articulate it here.
Well, the Fed's going to go back to QE. I mean, they're going to do whatever they can to try to stop the bear market and to try to prevent the recession. But they are going to fail. They're going to make it worse this time.
Now, I find that very interesting. It is certainly something that we should keep an eye on, considering he did say this in 2019. It's just very good prediction in my opinion. He knew this was coming. A lot of people knew this was coming, and it's now finally here. I just want to show you this, guys. This is the stock to flow model for Bitcoin. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have seen me talk about this, but I go on about it so much because it is very good at the moment. Now, if I zoom in here, this is what we are at. Okay, now we are going up. Now this is what is getting me incredibly excited, because we are I think it's 30 days away from the Bitcoin halving, guys. Now this is huge, because if this can continue and this can do what this chart says, then you are going to see a big change in this entire crypto market. If I show you here, everything here will blow. I think, in my opinion, it will just it will blow up. Everything, it will just be ridiculous, because this will be the next transition in history that is forced to make because of the government's decisions with debt and stuff like that. But it is perfectly on course at the minute, in my opinion, and I'm very excited. Now it is just a predicted model, but so far it's been very accurate, so I highly recommend checking it out, and check out the guy who created this, which is $100 trillion USD. I want to show you some of his tweets. He tweeted the other day, where is it? It's here. Bitcoin price is not manipulated by futures. CMC launched BTC futures December 2017. Many point to December 2017 all-time high as proof of futures have suppressed prices, but BTC prices stayed perfectly within the stock-to-flow bands. I would have expected this to happen with or without futures. Nothing unusual. And also, just simple full Zimbabwe, because that's what currently the American government are doing. He reckons this is going to be the next thing. I think it's more of a joke, but this is what Zimbabwe did. They ridiculously inflated their dollar, and their currency, and this is the way America is heading. I also want to show you Anthony Pompliano. He's very good. You guys need to check him out as well. Very highly recommended and highly respected crypto influencer. He has been tweeting saying the Federal Reserve more stimulus this morning. They are going to lend 2.3 trillion to small businesses and state local governments. The cure for the crisis is not more stimulus. The cure is to get America back to work, which is again 9 million Americans file for unemployment, which is it's awful to hear. Basically, pretty much it's just awful. Anyone to lose their job is just horrible. And I do feel bad for these people, but this is what effectively the government this is their consequences of the government, and this is horrible to see, because they think printing endless amount of money is going to solve problems, which it doesn't, and that's why we're in the bubble that we are in at the moment. And here is the US debt clock. Now this is what it's currently looking like. It's currently ridiculous, and they're just printing, and to the point where we're now going to take a transition. I've been seeing news articles, and if you guys want to check them out yourself, I've been seeing that the digital yen, digital dollar, digital euro, in one of my last videos, for example, the French government, central Federal Reserve Bank, are going to hold meetings, I think May 15th or April 15th, about digital euro. Again, guys, this is the transition I think a lot of us have been waiting for, and it's going to happen so fast. I don't even think we're going to notice it happen. But so far, the Bitcoin and rest of the crypto market is doing very well, and this is its time to shine. If it manages to shine throughout a period like this, then we're all early, guys. I don't think it matters if you're an XRP guy, you're a Bitcoin Cash guy. I just think as long as we're all here together as a community and we're early, that's the main thing, because I think we'll all make a profit in some way or another, unless we've picked coins all the way at the bottom, pretty much. But I generally think, guys, that we do have a lot of potential on our hands, and I think we should just give ourselves a pat on the back or something for being here early, because if this does happen, it's going to happen within the next couple months. So if you guys are excited, I want you guys to share the video, like the video, or leave me any feedback, what you want me to do videos on, or how I can improve. I've been Crypto Noobs, guys. I really appreciate your support and feedback. Thank you for watching. Peace.